wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're trying out a new foundation. Let's go. Isn't this so cute? Look at this. They showed up at my house. This is from Covergirl. It is their Clean Invisible. I could open it. The iconic clean foundation, new formula in 24 natural finish shades. The swatches. Clean and fragrance free, new clean invisible foundation, kind to skin formula. The lightweight breathable vegan formula melts into skin for a radiant complexion and buildable coverage that won't clog pores. Looks, ooh, my God. Ooh. Looks and feels like your skin, but better. Easier to use and more sustainable packaging. Okay. I mean, the packaging before was very cute. New packaging, much more... Please. New packaging, much more simple. But I kind of like the previous packaging more. Okay, so these are the shades. Ooh. These are the shades sent to me. Let's go with 190. I might need 170. Is there one in between? Let me see. 180. Actually, let's go with 180. Which is golden caramel. Not sure how this is gonna go, y'all. Actually, on second thought, no. Do y'all see that color out of the tube? So, hang up on you. Let's see what 190 is giving. I have other things to film after this, so that's why I actually need the correct shade. That might be, can you see that? That might be. All right, we only have one other option, so let's see what 195 is giving. You know, I think 195 is the safe option. I would rather be too dark than too light. Okay, now I feel more secure, so. I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I gotta like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to relate. So that is what she is looking like on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face real simple today, real, you know, clean girl aesthetic. Okay, y'all, so that is going to be it for my face. I have heard that eye drops can help your lashes grow, and y'all know I had LASIK, so I have to put eye drops in every single day for the rest of my life. And they might be onto something when they say that, because look at my lashes. Excuse me. Just mascara? Now imagine if I was actually consistent with the eye drops, because like I'm supposed to put it in every day, but this is gonna be my face for the day. Like I said, very simple makeup, because I don't know, the product itself just gives, you know, a little bit more simple. So it is 10:59 a.m. I will check in midday and then check in later nights to see how this held up. But if you're looking for very natural, very your skin but better, it's this. Okay, y'all, we're gonna wrap up this video because I wasn't expecting this check-in. It is 5:46. 5:46 is my face looks like. I think if you are like the clean girl aesthetic, natural makeup, your skin but better, you are going to like this. And we are going into winter, so I think more skin types will be able to make it work for them, right? Remember, I feel like I said before I left, like, oh, like it won't require that much because I really didn't think it would be that deep. Mind you, I'm wearing the Danessa primer. And this, so we're gonna ignore this because that's lip gloss touching my chin from eating. But my T-zone? Now, yes, I am now using that oil sucker, so I know I got it if I need it. But Danessa has been holding me down for like the last 2-3 years.
And rarely have I ever seen a foundation wear like this on top of it. And mind you, when I say like this, it's a tad bit dramatic. This isn't horrible, right? Like we're a little bit past, you know, when makeup is like melted into your skin. This is straight up like my skin is oily, but like my skin hasn't been oily like this in a good minute now. I was outside. Also, it's almost November and outside was giving like 80, 90, so global warming. But yeah, I wasn't expecting that. And like even now, I'm not that mad at it, right? But I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting that. Covergirl. I don't remember if I've tried the original version of this foundation. I mean, if I had to pick, I'm picking the Covergirl Essence foundation that they came out with. That's like a little dupe for Chanel. But she's cute. I like how I look. I feel like this is more like a natural face type thing. I just know moving forward, I would have to put in a little bit more work to make it oily skin friendly. But that option is there if you would like. I think it's a good shade match. But yeah. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. She's cute, you know. But I said what I said. So I hope Saving Tons has helped you. You think you can check it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.